All right, here's some quick help on part 7 on lesson number 13. They've got a B animation already loaded up in the animation tab for you. So your first step here, and this is all in the instructions, but you know how it is. You bring over the create sprite command. I'm going to call that B, and I'm going to also set the animation. I'll use B for that, and I want that to be the B animation. All right. Now, what we're going to do is, this all has to do with the X and the Y value of the sprite, but here's what we'll do. Inside the draw loop, and this has to be inside the draw loop, I just accidentally dropped it. I'm going to set the B.X to be equal to the mouse X. Like that. The world.mouseX and the world.mousey come from the world drawer. And so I want the X location of the B to match the X location of the mouse. That's the idea behind this. Back here in sprites, I'm going to get a .Y. And I'll make that B. And then back in the world drawer, I'm going to get a mouse Y, a world mouse, world.mousey. And so the X location of the B should match the X location of the mouse. It's reading where the mouse is basically what's happening here. And I'm going to just shrink up these. No, I don't want that debug console. Just close that down a little bit. All right. So I'm trying to make the code a little bit bigger. All right. So when I run this, might help to put in a draw sprites, right? Haven't done that yet. Let's get that in there. All right. So when I run this, now you can see what I forgot to do here. It's working. If I move the mouse around, it's following the mouse wherever I go. But you know, it might be helpful. This might look a little bit better if I just drop a background command inside the draw loop and refresh the background every time. That might help. Let's run that. And this is all we're really trying to do on part 7, is get the little B to go wherever the mouse goes. And that's what I've got set up here with that B.X equals world.mouseX and B.Y equals world.mousey. It just makes the X and Y value of the B equal to the X and Y position of the mouse. Yay, that is part 7.